So, do you want to make a bar plot by using Python libraries such as Matplotlib, C1? Then this video is for you. So, in the previous video, I will show you how you can draw a line plot using Matplotlib. So, in this video, I will show you how you can plot a bar plot by using Matplotlib. So, first you need to import a library which is called matplotlib.pyplot. So, you will import this library as PLT, and later when you want to access the functions of Matplotlib library, then you use the PLT as a process. So now we have two lists. So one is the subject, one is math, physics, chemistry and biology, and the second is marks the student obtained. So for math the number is 75, for physics the number is 80, for chemistry it's 75, and for biology it's 70. So now if you want to make a bar chart to comparison their marks, then you need to write that plt dot bar. So now you have to decide on which axis do you want to show the subjects or marks. So if you want to show the subjects at the x-axis, then you will need to write the subject first. So then you will need to write the marks. So subjects will appear at x-axis and marks will appear at y-axis. Then you can add a label on the graph. So if you add a label, then it will show on the any one of the corner in the graph. So I write that the label is subject mark. So if you run this code, then you will see bar which has two axes, x and y. In the x you will see the subject name, and in the y you will see their corresponding number. So now you can add more thing to this graph. So if you want to change the color of this graph to any of the color, then you need to write the color equal, suppose you need to show the color as orange, then you need to write orange. So if you run it again, then you will see the graph color will be orange. Now you want to add some name on the x-axis and on the y-axis. Suppose on the x-axis we see that there are many subjects name. So if you want to add the string subjects name in the x-axis, so now you need to do plt dot xlabel string which is subject, and plt dot ylabel which is marks. So if you run it again, then you will see this two string appears at y and x-axis. So on the y-axis you will see subject, and on the x-axis you will see subjects, and on the y-axis you will see marks. So now you want to add a title on the bar plot. So for that you need to do plt dot title which is the marks distribution by subject. So marks distribution by subject. So if you run it again, then you will see the title as this, that marks distribution by subjects. So now I write a label on the bar plot function. So if you want to show this on the graph, then you need to add a legend, so which is plt dot legend, and if you run it, it's E. So if you run it, then you will see that the label will appear on the upper right of the graph, which is subject mark. So you can add more functionality to this graph. If you want to give the H color in the bar, then you need to do that H color equal, suppose I want to give it black, so So now you can see that the edge color of the bar will turn into black. And also you can do many other things, that if you want the subject name at an that which will situate it at an angle, then you need to use the xtick functions, that is plt dot xticks. So you need to write on the function that rotation equal 45 degree. So if you write rotation equal 45 degree, then you will see that, okay, so if you run it again, then you will see that the name of the subjects are turned at 45 degree angle. So, and if you want, then you will do it to the marks also. So, and one last thing, that if you want to show the graph, then you need to use plt dot show. So if you use plt dot show, then it will show you the graph. But I don't use it because I run the whole code. So if you want to print the graph by using one function, that you will need to write plt dot show and execute it. So that's the basic thing of a bar plot you can make by using Matplotlib library. So if you want more videos like this, so let me do in comment section.